In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to download Figma app on PC or laptop. Before we begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and a web browser open. If you already have a Figma account, great. Have your login details ready. If not, you can quickly create one during the process. Start by heading to the Figma website in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're in your files view, look toward the top left of the page for your profile or account icon. Click that to open the account menu. In this menu, you'll see an option labeled Get Desktop App. Go ahead and click it. This automatically detects your operating system and starts downloading the installer for Windows or Mac OS. If you're asked where to save the file, choose your Downloads folder so it's easy to find later. If the download doesn't start, try clicking the button again or temporarily disabling any strict browser extensions that might block downloads. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and locate the Figma setup file, typically named Figma Setup. Double-click it to begin installation. On most computers, the installer will launch and handle everything automatically. If you see a security prompt, confirm that you want to run the installer. Keep the app open until the installation completes. Closing it too soon can interrupt the process. If your computer asks for permission to install software from the internet, choose to allow it just this once. After installation, the Figma desktop app will open. You'll be prompted to log in with your Figma account, the same one you use on the web. Once you're signed in, your files and teams will appear and you can start working right away. A helpful bonus of the desktop app is offline support. If you lose internet access, you can continue editing and your changes will sync the next time you're online. For a smoother workflow, consider pinning Figma to your taskbar or adding it to your applications folder so it's always easy to launch. That's the whole process, from the website to download to installation to signing in. If anything doesn't look exactly the same on your screen, don't worry. Interface layouts can change slightly, but the option is consistently available from your account menu. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.